Hi! Please do not forget to click on the red button, which is the subscribe button, and then tap on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you! Hi guys! Welcome to my channel Happy Wing Studio. आप सबका मेरे चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Well, today's topic is about paraben. I don't know how many of you know about it or not. I thought I must bring this into everyone's notice, and that's why I'm here to do this video on paraben. So let's get started. Well, what is paraben? तो मैं आपको सीरियसली बताने वाली हूँ एक ऐसी खतरनाक चीज का जो एक्चुअली हमारे हर एक प्रोडक्ट्स में होते हैं और हमें इसके बारे में पता भी नहीं है. तो मैं बताती हूँ ये पैराबेन होता क्या एक्चुअली. Paraben is a synthetic compound. It acts as a preservative which is found in our hair, beauty and personal care products. Well, I'll tell you how paraben actually works in our products. Well, if you see a lip balm in which it's written strawberry lip balm or cherry lip balm or any flavored lip balm, so for that lip balm to last for very long, for 2 to 3 years, you add paraben into it. So it's like a preservative which acts against this fungus, bacteria, everything which spoils the product. So paraben is mainly meant to save the product. That's why it's used. So what are the types of parabens? The different types of parabens are methyl, ethyl, propyl and butyl paraben. These can be found on many products, especially in our cosmetics and even in our personal care products. Well, so how is it harmful? That was even my question, because it acts as a preservative. How does it harm anyone? Well, in 2004, a Britisher had done a research and found that many people who suffered breast cancer had traces of paraben found in them. And there have been a lot of research which has been going on it since a very, very long time. Now, one thing is that scientists have still not been able to prove that paraben actually causes cancer. I know it's quite confusing because one side they say that paraben are good because it saves you from all the bacteria, fungus and everything, and the other side they say that it causes cancer. So research is still made on it. So well, my only motto of doing this video was to let everyone know that let the scientists do their work, let them research to prove it right or wrong, but meanwhile let's try not to use products which has paraben in it. And especially for kids, make sure you don't use paraben products for your kids. Make sure you use products which has paraben free and alcohol free written in it. So even for yourself, if you're looking to buy a healthcare product or a beauty product or any cosmetics also, please make sure that you read the ingredients properly. Make sure paraben is not there as far as possible. I know it's very difficult to get cosmetics which doesn't have paraben in it. So even skincare products. So make sure you try finding products which doesn't have paraben in it. And one tip I want to give you here, suppose if you have cosmetics which has paraben in it, and also if you find cosmetics which has paraben in it, so first what you have to do is you have to find a good moisturizer for yourself which doesn't have paraben in it. So what you need to do is take moisturizer, apply it on your face, and then choose a primer which doesn't have paraben in it again. Then put that, and then on top of that, if you're putting cosmetics, it will not enter your skin. So this is one tip what I can give for people who use cosmetics which has paraben in it and you can't throw it. So this is one tip I can give you. Now one more thing which I want to tell you is try making products like skincare products at home. I have made a lip balm. If possible, watch it and try making it for your lips. I will try making more products and I will show it as much as possible. Also, please try not using a rose water which you find in a drugstore. Try making rose water face mist all by yourself. It is very easy to make. I will surely do a video on it in future, definitely. And for makeup, as I said, just try putting a layer of good moisturizer and good primer and it will work. And one more thing, there are many products in the market which doesn't have paraben in it. So for example, Forest Essential doesn't have paraben paraben. They have great skincare products, so you can look into that. And then La Roche-Posay. This is one good skincare product which doesn't have paraben. So you use your lip balm and your hair care products and your skincare products and your moisturizer and primer which doesn't have paraben in it, so it will really help you. So I hope this video was useful. If you found it useful, then please let me know. Comment below and do give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends. Let many people know about this ingredient called paraben. If they don't know, they must know and try avoiding this as much as possible. I just wanted to bring this into everyone's notice. That's why I have done this video. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe. My next video is a very interesting one, so stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.